So we cannot take the drone back. So bye-bye drone. That's the last time of our drone. When the drone is right there.
Yeah, I lost it.
What's up, baby?
I'm not happy.
We lost the drone.
Lost the drone because for whatever reason my account wasn't logged in, and because of that I only had a 50-meter range, and it decided the home point was out there somewhere and not right where I am. So that's it for the drone.
Aloha from Hana.
Hey guys, this is our last day in Hana. We had an amazing trip so far. We spent 2 nights here. Well worth it. If you're going to do the road to Hana, I really recommend at least 1 night in Hana, if not 2. Today we're going to our other Airbnb in Keanae, which is just north of Lahaina. And we're going to hit some of the attractions on the way, yeah? What?
Yeah. We are leaving our Airbnb and we're going to take with us the road to Hana, but this time from Hana to Keanae or Keanae, whatever the name is.
And we're going to hit some of the stops that we missed on the way, like Twin Falls. We skipped it because we started really late because we just got in our first day. So we're going to hit sort of the beginning stops on the road to Hana that we skipped and see what else we go see. But I think we're basically going to hit the stops that we missed, like Twin Falls, and then head to Keanae to check into our Airbnb. So come along with us, guys, and enjoy the adventure.
Let's go. We love the road to Hana and we're going to take you with us.
Well, we thought we would start with visiting the lava tubes here, but they don't open till 10:30 and it's only 9, so we're not going there. And it looks like the road to the garden is also closed. It's a mile up ahead, but it must be washed out, so the Kahanu gardens are closed right now, I would assume. Probably just closed due to that huge rainstorm we had yesterday, yeah? Well, all right. There's one misgotten adventure. Let's get this thing turned around.
Like the Kapu religion or whatever that is.
So Kapu was the ancient Hawaiian way of organizing. It sort of means like a restricted area or like taboo. And the guide, our audio guide, was telling us some of the ancient kapas. And one of them was that women couldn't eat bananas, which is weird. And other ones would be like you can't walk in the chieftain's shadow, or when you can or can't build a canoe, and different members of society, depending on how high up they were, could do different things. It's really interesting, the audio guide that we bought. Anywhere to stop here? No parking.
No parking.
And these slopes are crazy. Careful where you walk there. Whoop. That's just 5 feet off the side of the highway. It's like a 100-foot cliff. That's crazy. No. Yeah, the waterfall is just right up there, but there's no parking by this one.
We stop on the road. We find a picnic table and look at this view.
It's beautiful. It's one of the small farming communities down there.
I see again.
Yeah, that white church.
The white church.
Yeah. Our little road navigation tour told us something about it.
To go there.
Yeah.
It's a road we can go
Yeah,
there,
he
but
says
I don't know how.
there's no services down there.
Ah, look at the bird with right here with
I see
with
him.
the red
Head?
head.
Yeah, there's two birds over there.
Two birds. Can you see it?
And like some sort of weird lymph node.
So we cannot take the drone back. So bye drone. That's the last time of our drone, because they believe our home place was somewhere down there and they cannot reach all the way here. We are out of the range here. Even the drone is right there. That sucks.
Yeah, I lost it.
So here is where we lost the drone. What's up, baby?
I'm not happy.
We lost the drone.
Lost the drone because for whatever reason my account wasn't logged in, and because of that I only had a 50-meter range, and it decided the home point was out there somewhere and not right where I am. So that's it for the drone.
We go buy another one. Bye bye drone. Bye bye. At least our drone is in this beautiful place. Look how green. And here on this area is nothing but the trees, so it's nobody's land. He tried to go on that area where you can see like green straight, and they said it's out of range. So we are going to buy a new drone today. Bye bye drone. I have to say bye because we lost it right on the beautiful area with the trees. So now we're gonna have a long ride to road to Hana, because Ben is not gonna be happy because he lost the drone here.
Well, we took a quick stop here at Keanae Beach Park. It's on the Keanae Peninsula. It's where the famous banana bread store is, which happens to be closed right now. Not exactly a swimming beach, but it is beautiful.
It is beautiful over here. Look at that. Even with the...
You see my drone? It's somewhere like over there. I just lost it somewhere there, which really sucks. And I'm not a happy camper, but there ain't shit I can do about it. So somewhere on somebody's land, and on top of it, it's probably in a tree. So we're not going to waste all day looking for something we're not going to find.
We are going to Costco and buy another one. 2 years ago in Hawaii, we had the drone in the tree, so we lost that tree when we find it.
That's right, I crashed it into a palm tree.
We find it, we tried to fix it, but it didn't really work anymore. So we bought one in Costco in Honolulu, and now we're gonna buy one in Maui.
Maybe, if they have them still. I don't know if they do.
Costco usually keep drones, so today our last stop is gonna be a Costco.
We're still in the Kapalua Beach area, just another parking area. Really beautiful here. You can tell they used to have some industrial things here. You can see the remains of an old dock maybe. Over there you can't see them, but there's like old engine parts or winch parts. Hawaii does have a really interesting history, and there's remnants of it everywhere. You see these, baby? 2 more memorials to people that have died. All over Hawaii. So many Hawaii beaches you see these in.
What do you think about this place?
It's a nice little stop. Really rugged, beautiful beaches, and I hate it because I lost my drone here.
It's okay, we're gonna buy a new one. What I hated is they they closed the banana bread.
Yeah.
I was expecting to see if that banana bread is better than my husband's banana bread, and I will never know. I have a tip for the road to Hana. If you come here, take the bug spray. If not, you're gonna have the feet like mine. They beat me all over because we forgot to take the spray with us. So let's go to the Arboretum, rainbow eucalyptus.
So you have to park on the road. There's only about parking spots for what, 6, 7, 8 cars?
Yes, and
Something
you
like
park
that?
in front of the gates. So.
Yeah. So we're gonna go check it out. If I remember right, this is the Arboretum where the rainbow eucalyptus are supposed to be.
Right, so
Which I don't think are native to Hawaii, but they're here, so we're gonna go check them out. It's really cool. I'm not sure how big this Arboretum is or how far you have to walk into it, but it's really pretty. It's like this wonderful little paved sidewalk through the jungle. So we've walked about, I don't know, 1/8 of a mile, 1/4 of a mile, and we get our first sign at the Keanae, I think that's how you're supposed to say it, Keanae Arboretum. Guess there's not an entrance fee of any sort. That's nice. Let's see here. So I think we walked in here through the gates. And let's see, what do we have? Breadfruit trees, the rainbow eucalyptus are here. The ginger, those are really beautiful. They're all over. All the way in the back you got taro. Thai leaf, I'm not sure what those are. Or what Nara are. So it's a little quick, easy walk through the garden. Distance from gate is 1,400 feet. So, like a mile, I guess. What does it say? It was developed in 1971.
The Keanae Arboretum was developed in 1971 under the supervision and guidance of Forest Ranger Henry, and 6 acres of timber, ornamental, and food plants from all over the tropics are planted here to provide an attractive and educational displays of plants for Hawaiians residents and visitors.
Right, so it's 6 acres. Even well signed even too. Palm trees are from
That's
the Philippines.
Cool. You can tell what plant is from where.
Yeah, it's actually a pretty well signed arboretum.
And it's free to come.
And I think the big attraction here is the rainbow eucalyptus, which I believe are from Australia. There's a couple other places on the road to Hana that have them, but they're all on private land. So this is where you're supposed to come to see them. Oh, I can see them from here. Wow.
Oh, wow.
Those are so cool.
Wow,
Like
so
purple
colorful.
and green.
Yellow.
Yellows, yeah.
Pink,
Orange.
orange, kind of. Wow, I like it. This rainbow eucalyptus, it's from Indonesia. We are wrong, we thought it's from Australia, but it is from Indonesia. And they're so cool. I love it. We'll keep going. Ben is already waiting for me over there. We are going to this rainbow eucalyptus. Of course, people write their names. I don't know if you can see it. We're lucky it's not raining anymore and the sun is up.
Screw pine. Oh. Remember somewhere else we read there was female and male plants, and the females make the fruit. And somewhere, this is the flower from the male tree. Let me see, it's right back here. Here it is. I'm pretty sure this is the male flower from the hala. And these are parts of the fruit. It sort of breaks apart. It looks like a pine cone or something almost, or like a breadfruit. Wow, those are pretty. It says right there, baby. Queen Ema. spider lily. Yeah, that's the challah. That's it. Yeah, that's the fruit. See the big old ball right there? That's the fruit. And then they break into smaller little individual pieces. It's sort of like a pineapple.
This is Arbori Ylang from India.
Yeah, I think these are teas actually, like tea leaf trees.
I'm going on the...
Back on the main path? Yeah. It's really cool. I've never seen this plant flower before, but they got these little purple ones on top. And there was some sort of buzz or siren that just started. I don't know if you can hear it on film, but there's a...
It's very scary.
Yeah, I don't know, scary, but it's weird. What did you think of the Arboretum, baby?
Arboretum was nice. The rainbow eucalyptus was so interesting.
Really cool looking, yeah. It's worth a quick stop. You could probably do it in a half hour.
And I didn't know they are from Indonesia. We're guessing more from like Australian stuff. Yes, was half an hour and it's worth to stop.